Hi everybody, I am going to discuss if-else statement in Python programming. In this video, I will discuss what is if-else, syntax of if-else, flowchart, and example of if-else in Python programming. First of all, the points of if-else are, concept of if-else are. If-else is a two-way branching. If-else is a two-way branching. It has one or more condition. It has one or more condition. If the condition is true, if the condition or conditions is or are true, then statement within if execute. Then statement within if execute. Otherwise, statement or statements else execute. It has one or more condition. If the condition is true, then statement within if execute. Otherwise, statement within else execute. Now the syntax. If the condition is true, then statement within if execute, that is statement 1. It can be one statement or more statement. Else colon statement within else execute, that is the false part. And after the if else, there is a statement X, the remaining statement either if else block. After if else block, remaining statement after if else block. So this is syntax. If the condition is true, condition colon is true, then statement within if execute. Otherwise, statement within else execute. After the end of the if else, there is a statement X, that is the remaining part of the program. Now let us consider the flowchart. This is the condition. If the condition is true, condition or conditions is true, then the statement within if execute. Statement 1. If the condition is false, then the statement within else execute. After the statement 1, it goes to the control to statement X. After the statement 2, it goes to the control of statement X. So this is the flowchart of if else. When the condition is true, then it will enter the statement 1. If the condition is false, then it will enter the statement 2. That is statement 2. And after the statement 1, it goes to statement X. After the statement 2, it goes to statement X. So this is the two-way branching. There is a two branches. Either one is true part, another is false part. So this is the concept of if else. Now let us consider the example. Suppose I want to display the largest among two numbers. So first of all, we have to take the number from the keyboard. That is a equal to input first number, enter first number, then b equal to input enter second number. Now these are the number that are already in RAM. Now we have to check whether the first one is greater than second one, then the first one will be largest, otherwise second one will be largest. If a greater than b, then print largest is comma a. Else colon print largest is b. If the a is greater than b, then it will print the largest value a, otherwise it will print the largest value b. So this is the two-way branching. If the one condition is true, then it will execute the remaining statement within if, otherwise it goes to the else part where there is a false body statement, that is a false part of the condition, that is largest number b. if A greater than B, so A is largest, otherwise B is largest. So this is the concept of if else statement in Python programming. Let us consider the example of if else. Here we have to find the largest among two numbers. A equal to float, enter input, enter the int, input, enter the first number, then enter the second number. Then if A greater than equal to B or greater than B, print largest among A comma B is A. Else colon print largest among A comma B is B. So in this program we have to take two number, that is integer, you can take it as float also. Here we are taking the input as integer number, so we have to find out the which one is largest. A greater than B, then it is 2A branching, the largest is A, else the largest is B. Now run the program, enter the first number, enter the second number, and the largest is the first number. Then again run, enter the first number, enter the second number is greater than largest, so else that is second number is largest. In this way we can perform largest among two numbers using two-way branching, that is if else. Now the next program, write a program to check whether a number is even or odd. First of all we have to take the number, that is the number, if n is the variable where the number given input is stored. Then if n mod 2 equal to 0, then the A is even. Else colon print B is even. So if the number is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 0, then it is even number, otherwise it is a odd number. Enter the number, and the 5 is odd, enter the number 6 is even. So this is known as two-way branching. In two-way branching we can consider one condition, and if the condition is true, then the statement within if execute, otherwise else. And after the end of the program there is a statement X, that is the end of the program, which indicate that